Good day everyone, so I am Renante B. Cañalata from BSP 116 and today I will present my infographic about Sustainable Development Goal 4 or SDG 4, Quality Education. So, SDG 4 is one of the goals made by the United Nations. The goal of SDG 4 is to make sure that all people can go to school and have a quality education. It also wants the people to continue learning throughout their lives. So, education is very important because it helps to improve their lives and achieve their dreams. And when people are educated, they can get a better job, make a better decision, and also can help their families and communities. Education also teaches people how to respect others and understand the different cultures and beliefs. So, in the first part of my infographic, I explain what SDG 4 means. SDG 4 wants all the children and adults to have equal access to education no matter their gender, religion, culture, disability, or financial status. So this means everyone deserves a chance to learn and succeed in life. And the next section is explain why education matters. So, education helps to reduce poverty because people can find a better job when they finish in school. It also helps to reduce unemployment and given people important life skills. Education teaches people discipline, responsibility, communication, problem-solving skill that people can use in everyday life. And education also promotes equality and peace. When people learn about different cultures and tradition, they became more understanding and respectful towards others. So this is important because we live in a diverse world with people from the different backgrounds. So school should be a safe place where everyone feels accepted and included. And another important part of my infographic is the key facts section. So around 244 million children and youth around the world are still out of the school because many students in poor countries do not have enough classroom, books, computers, or internet connection. And some children also stop studying because their families cannot afford school expenses. And girls and marginalized group in some countries still experience unequal opportunities and education. So some students with disability also experience challenges in accessing quality education. So this is why inclusive education is very important. Inclusive education means all students should feel welcome, supported, regardless of their culture, religion, ethnicity, gender, disability, or social status. Everyone deserves equal treatment and equal opportunities in school. Inclusive education also teaches people how to respect diversity and appreciate difference among people. So, in my infographic, I also included real-life examples that support quality education. So, these are scholarship programs that help students from low-income families to continue their studies and online learning platform that allow students to learn from home or from different places. Government also provide a free public education to help more children and school community learning centers that improve literacy and lifelong learning. And as a BSP student, I connected SDG 4 to the field of psychology because this is very important, especially you can understand most of people and most the conflict in the community. And another important part is my overall infographic. So my overall infographic is shows education is important for everyone because it helps people to gain knowledge, improve their skills, and build a better future. And education also promotes equality, inclusivity, and intercultural understanding among different people and communities. So in conclusion, achieving SDG 4 requires a cooperating from school, government, communities, families, and industries through education and technology and respect from different cultures that we can help create a better and more inclusive world for everyone. And thank you for listening. That will be all. Thank you.